مرحبا يا حلوين. I am very happy and grateful for the comments on my last video about the countries. Thank you guys. I will be doing the ones you asked for in this video. يلا نبلش. Before I do, I want to explain two things. First is something we call التعريف. التعريف looks like this and used before the word. Its purpose is to give the word a precise meaning. For example, I read a book. أنا قرأت كتاب. Here you might ask, what book or which book? The book in the sentence is unclear. But when you say I read the book, أنا قرأت الكتاب, you are specifying a specific book. That's التعريف, making the word specific or clear. And the second thing is a letter I talked about before, but just a small reminder because I will be using it in this video. The letter qa. Qa. Like the word I just used, I read. قرأت. قرأت. Let's get into it. First country is India. الهند. الهند. Maldives is said the same. Maldives. Egypt is مصر. مصر. Japan is يابان. يابان. Make sure you give the B a bolder sound. يابان. And for the last one, North Macedonia. Now for this, I need you to focus with me. North in Arabic is شمال, and Macedonia is Macedonia. Macedonia. So it only makes sense to say شمال Macedonia, which is correct, but not entirely accurate. Let me explain. Some people might understand that as the north of Macedonia. So the more accurate way is to say Macedonia الشمالية. Exactly like South Africa, for example, we say إفريقيا الجنوبية. Keeping in mind that جنوب is south. So, conclusion. Macedonia الشمالية is the more accurate way. And remember that we used التعريف and the letter qa. Thank you all again for the support. Much love.